Hi students, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to SR Maths Tutorials. Today we discuss about a concept is completely trigonometry identities. First of all, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Yes, you know very well the first identity in trigonometry sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That already proved that the previous concept. I explained that now same identity again in the trigonometry level. The concepts are in between secant and tan concept. That formula is identity. One more identity. The difference of the squares of the secant and tan is equal to 1. The previous concept is sum of the squares of the sine and cos is 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. But in this session, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. How to prove this concept? Same concept again. First of all, go to the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. Square of secant value, square of tan value, you know very well the ratio. Secant concept is hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan value is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. The power is applied numerator and denominator both are. So square of hypotenuse, square of adjacent, square of opposite, square of adjacent. H square, A square, O square, A square. Now these two fractions are like fractions. Whenever two fractions are like fractions, you write one time denominator and having the sign between is minus or plus or minus only is there. Whenever between the sign is into, you cannot write a square into a square. Okay. Now numerator you write as is hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Listen students, from Pythagoras theorem, you know that Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square value equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Whenever possible, this concept, this concept is coming from this one. Listen, hypotenuse square minus opposite square. Opposite square value subtracting from hypotenuse square. How is possible? This opposite square coming from the right to left, you will get opposite square subtracting from hypotenuse square, you will get adjacent square. Opposite square subtracting from hypotenuse square, you will get adjacent square. So now the numerator can be written as the replace of hypotenuse square minus opposite square is adjacent square. Denominator cannot be changed. Now the fraction numerator and denominator both are same terms. Both are cancelled. Your answer is 1. This is our concept. Finally, what you say about secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Very most important identity. Okay. Now, one more identity also is there. I explained that concept in this session. Listen. That concept also same. The difference is the difference of square of the cosecant, square of the cot, trigonometry ratio value is equal to 1. Finally, this formula is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. But cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is equal to 1 is false statement. Sir, already you know, you tell that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, then cos square theta plus sin square theta also 1. That is having between sign is positive is there. Commutative property satisfied only addition. Plus into concept having is there, two concepts. A into B is equal to B into A plus B is equal to B plus A. But A minus B is equal to B minus A. Wrong that one. 10 minus 1 value is 9. 1 minus 10 value is not 9, minus 9. So difference of 10 and 1. Big number minus small number is a positive number. Small number minus big number is negative number. So cosecant square theta minus cos square theta value 1. How to this answer is 1? Let us prove that. I am going to first of all LHS of the equation. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant theta value, you know that, as well as cot theta value also, you know that. Square of cosecant and cot difference, how much? The cosecant formula, hypotenuse by opposite. Tell me students, hypotenuse by opposite. Similarly, cot theta formula, adjacent by opposite. Now this is the form of a by b whole power n formula. Power will be distributed to numerator and denominator. Now to applied numerator and denominator. Hypotenuse square by opposite square, adjacent square by opposite square, minus is there. Now listen here, the fractions denominators are same. So denominator you write only one time. Now the numerator are hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. The difference of this value how much? Come back again Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? This is common concept. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of the square of the opposite and adjacent sides in right angle triangle. The numerator concept h square minus a square coming from this Pythagoras theorem. Adjacent square subtracting from hypotenuse square. Whenever possible, this adjacent square, right side term, last term is coming from right to left. You will get adjacent square is subtracting from hypotenuse square value is equal to square of opposite. So opposite square numerator, denominator you write as it is. Now the given fraction numerator and denominator same terms are there, get cancelled, remaining is 1, that is RHS. Finally, what you say about students? The previous concept. Listen here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. The previous concept, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta also 1. But secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is not equal to 1. Is not equal to 1. What is that answer? Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is very important. Yes, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is equal to minus 1. Okay, now the last formula, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta minus cosecant square theta value again minus 1. Are understood? Yes, this is very most important 3 formulas. I will write these 3 concepts and some of the formulas also coming from these 3 concepts. I explain those concepts in the next session. Okay, thank you very much. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.